Welcome to Innoven Foods. Today I am making a Ramadan iftar recipe, chicken donut, a crispy crunchy snack with a soft chicken and vegetable filling inside. Let's start the recipe. Heat 1 teaspoon butter and 1 tablespoon oil in a pan. Add 3 garlic cloves, 1 green chilli. Saute lightly. Add 1 tablespoon flour and roast for 1 minute. Pour 1/4 cup water and mix well. Add 2 tablespoon capsicum, 2 tablespoon carrot, 2 tablespoon cabbage, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon chili powder, half teaspoon pepper powder and half teaspoon cumin. Add half cup boiled shredded chicken and mix well. Chicken filling makes it more satisfying. Pour 1 cup milk. Half teaspoon chili flakes and half teaspoon coriander powder. Add 2 boiled mashed potatoes and cook until the mixture separates from the pan. Add 1 tablespoon coriander leaves. Cook filling until completely dry. Cool slightly. Grease oil on your hands and shape the mixture into donut shapes. Cool mixture before shaping. Donut shaped snacks cooked evenly. Now prepare a flour slurry. Add 1/3 cup flour, half cup water, mix well. Take 1 cup vermicelli. Break into pieces. Dip donuts into slurry, then coat with vermicelli. Vermicelli coating gives extra crunch. Press vermicelli gently for better coating. Fry in medium heated oil until golden brown and crispy. Fry on medium heat for even color. Chicken provides lean protein. Vegetables add fiber and nutrients. Homemade snacks control oil uses. Best enjoyed fresh and hot. Remove and serve hot. Your chicken donut is crispy outside and soft inside. Serve it hot with sauce or chutney. Try this recipe at home and share your experience. Follow Innoven Foods for more creative chicken snacks.